अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज डॉक्टर सईदा माहिनो एंड द टुडे टॉपिक इज नाइट गार्ड। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको ये एक्सप्लेन करूंगी कि नाइट गार्ड क्यों यूज होता है और कैसे यूज होता है।
If you grind your teeth a lot, you may have bruxism, that is called teeth grinding. This condition can cause jaw pain and teeth problems. You may not have noticed that you are grinding your teeth during sleep if you have bruxism symptoms. There is no medication to stop teeth grinding. Your dentist may fit you with a night guard. You put this customized tray in your mouth before bed. It protects your teeth, muscles and TMJ from the force creating during grinding.